already got the turbos mounted. What's up guys, Jay with JayFab here again. We got another F150 in for our twin kit that we do. We got the intercooler on and installed. Man, I just really love how Ron JayFab does these intercoolers. It's so easy for me to do. I sent him some specs and he gets them knocked out for me. I have made my own intercoolers, but it's so easy when I can call him and just get it and order it from him. But all the action goes on down here. See, I already got the turbos mounted and gonna get ready to do intercooler piping and the exhaust. These are oilless turbos, so no need for drain lines and feed lines, but everything is stainless steel, all TIG welded, back pressured, and all that good stuff. These are VS Racing 6262s with the VS Racing 45 millimeter wastegates. They're Gen 4s. I do upgrades for comp turbos. They're oilless turbos. I don't do any oil turbos under a truck. I don't like it. I hate dealing with the oil and the scavenge pump doesn't work or just things start happening. So far so good. These have been really great for us. I've had them on my truck for quite a while, and I just literally pump them up with some grease right here, and that's it. Pump them up until it stops, and then you're good. But I'll finish this exhaust. I'll do a Y pipe that does go to the factory location, which is nice for that, and that'll bolt up. And he's got a MBRP, so I can't wait to see what that's going to sound like. But this is getting, we did do all VAS suspension on this already. I should have done a video on that, I didn't. This is my training cooler that I put on these, put them back. This also has my torque converter as well. But that's the VAS relocation kit with the TRZ, is it TRZ? Yeah, TRZ anti-roll bar. Same kit I have on my truck. Everything we got. We do take out that big helper spring. He's not going to tow a boat or nothing. So that makes the back of this truck a little softer. Everybody knows these trucks are kind of bouncy and real stiff in the rear. I am trying to find maybe a softer leaf spring to put in the back of this thing, just to get it a little softer, because I can stiffen it up with the shocks if I need to. But and we are finished with Joe's truck. The twin kit came out so nice. I did a couple little tweaks just here and there on the kit. As I keep making these, I just find little adjustments that I like to make. I think that just make the kit look a lot better. Even though the kit is pretty much unseen when it's on the ground, I still like it to where the guys get their trucks and they get underneath it, jack it up, or have a lift at their house. They just still see like the quality of just even the welds and polishing everything. Just even little details on the wastegates of just making little cuts like that. Could have just cut it flat. Just little things that I like to do. I also want to point, I do use airline with air fittings. I don't use just rubber hose. These are all vibrant fittings, vibrant lines. There's my Mac valve for the e-boost, and you can even see I use them there, all vibrant. But I love how this kit came. This is a new way of doing a merge into one. It goes all the way to here. There's my finger. The JayFab sign kind of takes away. Literally, I put a JayFab plaque on everything, but with this kit, there's nowhere to put it, so I just put it on the exhaust. Whoever gets it up in the air sees it one day. But again, love how the kit came out. Love how everything fits in the truck. These trucks have such a great amount of room under them to where, man, I can just have lots of room to play with. But there's a kit, guys. Might be another video probably before this or after this of all the suspension that we did on the truck, and I'll get a driving video here soon later today. We just got done with this twin kit and time for a test drive. This is my stage one. We went with the VS Racing 6262s, oilless turbos, of course. I think guys that have followed me now know that I've been doing that. Ron JayFab intercooler. We did do an e-boost on this one. We're gonna run a little bit more than I normally give guys. Normally, guys, I'll give you 6 to 7 pounds, maybe like around 6. The springs in these are really small. Actually, when I did this one, it was only like 5.5 pounds. But I'll bump it up for the guys that are doing it. I like to give you around 6 or 7 pounds. This is on like 9 pounds. The truck feels great. Gets after it pretty good. The sound, if you listen. Hopefully y'all can hear the turbo sound through the video. It's so nice to drive around. We did lower it, so it does need an alignment. So we did all VAS suspension in the rear, shocks on the rear end, TRZ anti-roll bar that they make. Go check them out. VAS. I'm a dealer with them too. If anyone needs anything, just hit me up. We did Vikings all the way around, 12-way adjustables. They're a whole full kit. It's exactly what's on my truck. I love it. It works really, really good. I'll do it up here. Felt good, guys. Let's see what it made. 8.5 pounds. Perfect. But everything sounds great on this thing. It pulled good. Didn't feel like it pulled. So, guys, yes, this is on a stock tune. I do different things to this to trick the computer. Obviously, y'all just saw in the video. I'm ripping on it. It made 8.5 pounds. Pulled super clean. I do different things to this truck to trick it, just some old school tricks. But when tuning comes available, boy, it's gonna open up a large community of F-150s, and these things are already like out of control. From I got my truck, I've done 3 twin kits. I've done 4 Whipple trucks. I've done 3 Ritex, 2 inner chillers on Whipple trucks. Waylon, we did a whole full build on his. Like, it's everything that this truck is, just with the stage 2 Whipple. It's been a lot of fun. I really enjoy working on these trucks. It is what people call the Mexican GTR, which which is funny, but it holds truth to that. But man, I love it. Hopefully, guys, there'll be some tuning available to come out. We can get these going a little bit more. Joe is actually one of the first guys that hit me up. I really appreciate him. He saw, I think I posted an intercooler on my page, the intercooler in the truck. At this point, I didn't have anything for sale. I had no idea what was going to happen. Again, there's no tunes for this, so it was me just being a guinea pig with my own truck. We're trying to figure it out. And man, he stayed in contact with me for like 3 months. And he was just like, Jay, I'm gonna stick with you. I know you're gonna figure it out. And fortunately I did, and now this has been just a really nice setup. I also did a trans cooler. Man, they're a must. Oh, I actually did a converter in this. This is my converter. I'll do a little foot brake up here, and then we'll do a launch in 4-wheel high, and I'll show you how we do a launch in this. But yeah, I forgot all about that. But yeah, this got my converter. This is spec for our turbo, my twin kit. I've done so much research and development into this with Freak Show. Mike Reeves, holler at him or me. Actually, if you try to call him for a converter, he'll direct you to me. But Mike, just both of our time and our money that we put into this, and we came out with a really good turbo converter and a really good Whipple converter. All the Whipple trucks, we picked up 2/10 on the ET. No sacrifice of drivability. As y'all see, I probably didn't even know this had a converter until I said it. But yeah, it works really good. But I do transmission cooler 100%. So like right now, it's 185 motor temps. If this thing didn't have a trans cooler, the trans temp would be 185. Right now we're 107. It takes a little while to get up because that cooler just works really good. We put it in the back of the truck with a fan on it, and it works really, really good. So in these trucks, first gear is like pretty much useless. I'll put it in second, and I'll show you the routine that I do for these trucks. I put it in manual mode, and what we do is gonna go down to first. We'll put it in second and start foot brake. Okay. Put it in 4-wheel high. Come on, Honda. All right. Like freaking the Honda out because they don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna get behind this guy back in normal mode. Go back to the shop, and can't wait for Joe to pick it up, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like. See you on the next build.